Today we are in a new adventures.
We are in Waterfall, guys. Yes, guys, this is my first vlog. Welcome. This is where I am. This is where I am. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. This is good. This is. Look at that. But I have to go up to down. I have to go there down. So let's go, let's go. Yes, this is how it looks. Oh my guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, look at that. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. I'm on a forest, guys, by the way. I'm on a forest. Beautiful, beautiful. You have to go to the down level. So let's try to get a... Just guys, welcome to my first vlog. This is my first vlog, guys. I have to get... This is my first vlog. For 10k likes, I have to go to another waterfall. This is it. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Good one. Good go. We have to go up to the down level. Up to the down level. I am on the top level, by the way. I think this is the best up to the down level. So let's go. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go, let's... Na better. By the way, I'm on a jungle right now. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. So, yes, let's try to get a better place to do this. For 10k likes, I will try to get a better waterfall. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know how this looks like. Oh my god. Oh my god. So by the way, I'm alone, guys. Look at this. I'm alone. I'm alone, guys. Yes. This is my first vlog. Look at that. Yeah. Good one. And a better view. Look at that. There is the waterfall. So I have to go. I have to find a way to go to the down level. So let's try to find a way. I'm alone, guys. Please jump to this waterfall. I think, yes, guys, I think I just found the way. So we are going in. Yes, look at this. I'm on a forest. I'm alone. Look. So guys, you have to take this to 10k likes, guys. So beautiful, guys. Yes, this is the way down. I have to go all the way to there down. So yes, let's go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget this is my first vlog. So yeah, we are going down at the sea level right now. So So welcome guys to my first vlog. So here we go, that's the view. This is the way in, guys. Yes, that's the way in. So let me try to get. Look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. This is good. This is good. This is beautiful. So I have to get to the down level. So yes, let me try to get this. Let me try to get this. So yes, let's go guys. So this is the way. So let's go. There's a lot of water. So let's go. There's a lot of water down there. So let's go, let's go. Yes. Let's go. I have to get the down level. So look at this, guys. Wow. By the way, guys, this is my first vlog, my first video to upload on YouTube. So guys, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So yes. Let's try to get to the down level. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys, this is the view. I'm on a high point. This is the view all the way down, but we have to get to that waterfall. So yes, let's try to move on. Let's try to move on, guys. This is tough than I thought. So, but yes, I have to do this, guys. This is my first vlog, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. This is good. And I'm alone on a river. So guys, look at this. Look at that. Look at that. I was there. Now I'm here. So let's go. I have to get to the bottom of the river. So here we come. Yes, let's try to get a better view. So this is where I am. Yes, this is where I am. I'm on a forest. If you look at this, but it's okay, guys. So let's go. Let's move on. Yes, guys. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like for my first vlog. So yes, now we made it! Yes! So I was just right there. And now I'm here. So we just made it. So that's the way down. But now, guys, we have a problem. Oh my God! Look at that! So we have to get to that point. So we have to get at that point. Here we look. There is a lot of water, guys. But yeah, it's okay. I have to make it. Just, guys, this is my first vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Here we come. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the view. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is beautiful. I'll try to get to that point so that you can see that waterfall. So yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Look at this. But I have to make sure that I make it. Yes, guys. So here I am on the river, on a waterfall. I have no safety gears. By the way, I have no safety gears. So let me try to get at that point. So here I don't know. What am I gonna do? Look at this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to my first vlog, guys. So we have to get to that point and try to see that waterfall. So let's go, let's go. We have to get to that waterfall. Let me try. Yes, guys. I have to get to that point. Even if it takes what or what, I have to get that view. For you guys, I have to get that view. So let me just prepare myself. Let me just prepare myself because I'm going to pass through here. I'm going to pass. There is a lot of water, so I can't get inside the water, and we are near a waterfall, so that will be risk. So I have to get through this, and yeah, I have to get through this. So guys, be with me. Let's continue with this a good journey, and a good adventure, guys. So we have to try to go down to see what else is on that point. So yes, I'm just doing this so that I can get myself fully prepared. Yes, let's go, let's go. Yes, guys, I'm just here trying to get a better view of that waterfall. Look at this. Yes, I'm on a forest, guys, and I'm alone. Yes, I'm alone. Look at that. What's that? Okay, leave that alone. It's okay. What type of tree is this? It's okay, it's okay. Okay, yes, these are good adventure, guys. So yes, look at this. This is beautiful. This is a stone, by the way. Look at this stone. Beautiful. Looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's a stone. I don't know what's the name of this, but it's something that you can get or you can try to remove it. So yes. So let's continue, guys. Look at this. Wow, 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 yes. Look at that. This is beautiful. So, hey, we have maggots. We have maggies around. So yes guys, I'm here. I'm alone. I'm all alone. So guys, yes. So what's this? What's this? Oh no, oh my god. What's this? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's this. Yes, I don't know. Don't know what's that. Don't know. So guys, yes. Now you have another problem. I have to get from down there, up there, so that you can get a better view. So guys, yeah, I haven't yet touched this water, so I think it's the best time to touch this water. Yes, here we go. I think it's the best time. So yes guys, I have to try. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. This feels good. This feels awesome. So, yes, look at this. Look at the view. We have two, not two, even three. We have three waterfalls. So, we have that one, the small one. We have the second one, and we have the big one. So, yes, let me try to get up here so that I can try to get that view. Yes. I don't know what to do. As I told you, I have to get a better view. So, here is the view. Here is the view, guys. Here is the view. Awesome. Wow. That's awesome. Look at this. That's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Yes guys, this is the view. Awesome, awesome. This is awesome. This is beautiful. Guys, I am here. That is the view. So beautiful. This is good. This is good. So, by the way guys, yes, this is beautiful. This is good. Yes. So that's the view. Awesome. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at that. That's this. This is good. This is beautiful. I don't have a good camera by the way guys, but I could have shown you the maggies. But I hope you can see them just right there. If you can see a maggie, just hit that subscribe button. And if you can't see the maggie, just hit that subscribe button right now. We have to get. By the way guys, check on my bio and do what the bio says. So I won't tell you what the so that is stone. So I don't know what is this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. That's it. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Look at that. Wow, this is cool. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. So yes, this is good. This is beautiful. So guys, by the way, this is beautiful. This is good. Look at this. Look at this! Wow! Look at this! this is awesome. I have to try to get. So this is the view. I think it's okay, guys. Just to check on my bio. I have to go to another adventure. So yes, this is beautiful. So this is beautiful. I think there is a lot of maggots just around here, but it's okay. It's okay. Look at that. So guys, this is beautiful. This is good. Yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. So that's the view. That's the view. I think I am the only one to reach here, down here. And for these guys, I am here. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's a wall. I don't know. I don't know if water made it or it was naturally there. So here is the view. I can see some guys up there, but it's okay. It's okay. Awesome, awesome. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. The other time I have to get to that big stone. That big stone dividing the small waterfall and the big waterfall. So it's for today's adventure. Don't forget to. That's the adventure. So let's write down part of this adventure. So we have to get to this, to the down, to the other down part of the adventure. So here we go, guys. I think I will take a small bath, a small head bath with this awesome. This is beautiful, guys. So yes, let's go to the down parts of it. Let's try to get to the down part of it. So I think you can see some guys up. They looks dirty. So that's the view. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. This is my first vlog. So now let's try to get to the down parts of it. So I think you can. There are lots of beautiful mangoes somewhere there, but it's okay. So let's get to the down part and try to see more and more adventure. So let's try to get there down. We are here. I think the adventure, this is an awesome adventure. Pictures So yes, let's try to get to the down part. Let's try to get some beautiful maggots, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. You have to try to get to the other parts of this adventure. I think you can just see there's a monkey up there. That one, I think it's a baby. Oh my god. It's a baby. But it's okay. Let's try to get a better view. So this is the tree. By the way, the tree looks the same as the stones. Stones are beautiful. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh my god. I think this is awesome. Look at that. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there are maggots. Camera, and I have to make sure you see the maggots. So this is a good adventure and an awesome one. So just comment down, how is this adventure and how does it feel like? So just comment down how this adventure feels like. So check on the bio and you will get to know what this means. So just guys, don't forget to check. I have to get back there, but one thing, you have to get to the down part of this beautiful waterfall. So let's try to get to the down part of this beautiful and awesome waterfall. But it's okay, you have to get to the down part of this waterfall. A beautiful waterfall. Oh my god. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome and beautiful adventure. This is my first video, guys. Just comment down how it feels like for this adventure that I just prepared for you. So here we are. Here we are. We are on the awesome part. Look at that view. That's a good, awesome one. The awesome view. So guys, just comment down, how do you feel about this adventure? So yes, let me try to get, this is a bamboo stick. It's full of water. Oh my god, look at this. It's full of water. This is awesome. Look at that. Wow, yes, this is beautiful. I think I have to get there. So let's try to get Look at the stones. Stones are very beautiful, awesome. Oh, good. I think, guys, but it's okay. That's the down part of the river. For this awesome adventure. This is an awesome and a good one adventure. So let's try to get to that point, and then we have to go back. We have to go back. Where are the fish? By the way, guys, on the comment section. Now, this is beautiful. Look at the trees. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Awesome adventure. But it's okay. But I don't know the name of the waterfall, but I'll try to get one. I'll try to get. Can someone tell us on the comments what type of plants are these? This is a leaf and a big leaf. So, someone, can you just tell us what type of leaves are those? Look at this. This is awesome. This is beautiful. That's the view. I am down here. That's the view of the waterfall. So guys, I think this is awesome to get up there. But my way is on that side. So, but we have to get awesome. Look at this tree. A massive one. So, I think there are just some roads. Look at this. Oh my god. This is awesome adventure to you guys. This is awesome adventure. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and hit that like button. For 10k views, I have to go to another good adventure, but a different adventure this time around. This is awesome, guys. I can get a like for this. These are massive trees on here, on our waterfall, down on the waterfall. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look at that tree. Awesome, awesome one, awesome one. This is the stem. So, yes guys, you have to get. So I think waterfall is just right on that corner, but I have to try and do something for you guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. So this is the down part of the waterfall. I think I can just one day come for fishing. I have some bands around me. This is awesome. Look at these baboons. Look at these baboons. Oh my god. Someone tell us, comment down what type of plants are those. So this is the down part of it. It just goes down that way. So yes, that's awesome. So I have to get back and try to get a better view. Nobody else on the forest. Look at that picture. Awesome, man. Awesome. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for better views like this. Awesome. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yes, this is an awesome adventure. A beautiful one. And yeah, an awesome one. Awesome one. Great things, good things. I think I just saw it. That's a water can. A water can, but I don't know what the use of it. It's okay, some bottles around the river. So I have to get to that point. Because I'm there. I think guys, you can just see some monkeys up there doing some awesome jumping around the trees. Oh, this is awesome. This is good. This is adventure full of creativity. Yes, I just captured the monkey. I don't know grandfathers. They are just right there. Good and awesome monkeys. So guys, and try to get a beautiful and awesome. Look at those monkeys and a beautiful happening around here. Let's try to see. We are on the bottom of the river. I think some. Awesome guys. So I just seen if you made it this far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes.